Hi, this is Adam Hewison. I'm coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club, and we're looking at spot gold. We've been very bullish on this market, and this is one of the reasons why we've been bullish. This market has had a remarkable move from the beginning of 2000 all the way up to where we are right now, which is currently at 962.85. Now, I want to look at a market with our signals on, so let me just take it to our next level, looking at our daily that we've used for timing. Now, we've had a nice move up here in gold, so let's just show you what we want to do next with this market. Here's the daily chart, and as you can see, our last signal in this gold market was to buy at 933.60 on 710. Well, the market had the nice move up, which we expected, got close to, pretty close to the 990 level before retreating, coming back down to 963.61 right now. Now, this is going to be very interesting to see how this plays out. If we close lower today, this is not going to be necessarily a good sign, because this is a doji line. In Japanese terms, it's a doji line, D-O-J-I, and that's usually a sign when you have a balance between sellers and buyers. It's a balance, so that's why you have a very slim line like that. Now today, if we close down here, that's going to confirm that this is a doji, and then this market's going to have to do some more consolidating before it goes higher. Now let's measure how far potentially this market could come back before we want to buy it again. So let's just take this off, and the key level here to watch is going to be, I'll tell you exactly what we're looking at. I'll put this on the screen with Market Club. It's very easy to do, but here's the level that's going to be a key, and that's going to be the 953.35 level, and that's the low 3 days ago. If we go below that level, then this market, you want to be out of this market and wait for another opportunity to be a buyer, because the trend, the major trend, remains positive for this market. So this is where we see good support here. That's at 953.45, I believe we said. Okay, that's the key level to watch. If we go below that level, we're going to see a little more pullback, a little more defensive action. So let's take this off the screen. Let's go to our retracement tool, our Fibonacci tool, and we're clicking here on the highs. As you know, we've done this before. We click on the lows, and you go to automatic retracements. So retracement level, we've seen a retracement level come into play right here at 957.53, that we already touched that. The next one is going to be 948.55, and finally 939.58. Let's just call this 940 for want of a better word, just right around here, 940. And if we get down to those levels, we want to be looking for an indicator to turn back up and get on the long side of this market again, because we're still thinking the market can go higher. So here's Adam Hewison with a very short lesson on gold. We're looking at daily spot gold. It's traded 6 days a week. You can see all of these live real-time prices on Market Club. And we have all these indicators available to you, along with our very famous trade triangles. As you can see, they work very well. And we're getting close to being a sell signal. It may not even come. And if that's the case, we'll hang on for the long ride here. So Adam Hewison for Market Club, every success in the marketplace. Lots of opportunities in '08, so stay tuned. Hi, this is Adam Hewison. Thank you for taking the time to watch Market Club, one of our videos, and we're very proud of Market Club. I've got to tell you right up front, because we know it works. But the question is it right for you? Look, I've prepared a logical solution that I think could help you come to a decision. So let's take a look at that solution right now. What you're seeing right now is a box, and you've got no action, take action today. Market Club doesn't work. Market Club does work. So let's just see the first thing that happens. Let's say Market Club doesn't work. Well, that would just say that nobody makes any money in the market whatsoever. Well, we know Market Club does work, but if it doesn't work and you take no action, what happens? Nothing changes. You stay pretty much the same you are in your life, and you've also just taken a few minutes to watch some of the videos. That's the only change that's going to take place, but nothing's going to change overall. But let's say Market Club does work, but you take no action. What happens then? Well, you basically wait and you procrastinate. A trial and error. You may go try some other services. You may lose more money. One thing's for sure, you're going to waste more time. You're probably going to stress out, and pretty convinced that you're going to join later on, and then you'll be paying more money because our prices do go up with Market Club. So that's if you take no action whatsoever, and Market Club does work. Now, here's the question is, if you take action like here, and Market Club does not work, what's the worst that can happen? Well, the worst that can happen is you have a 30-day money-back guarantee. So you take the service, it doesn't work for you for whatever reason, you don't like the layout of the website, you don't like the way I talk, whatever it might be, and you get your money back. Just shoot us an email during the first 30 days right here, and we will be happy to give you money back. In fact, we don't want you as a Market Club member if you're not happy with the service. It's just that simple. We want the very, very best for you. That's absolutely where we're coming from on this whole thing. So again, if you take action today, which we hope you will, then you don't like the service, you get your money back. So let's say you take action today and Market Club does work. What can happen? Well, the good news is you're going to learn how to trade in any economy. You're also going to learn a lifetime of trading skills that you can transport anywhere in the world. Plus, you're going to get to brag to your friends that you really know how to make money in any kind of market. This is a skill that you will learn that you could actually hand down to your children. This is how the markets really, really work. So let's look at these choices again, these 4 choices. The first one is Club does work, but you take no action. Well, that's really out, because if it does work, then you want to take action. The next one is if you take no action, the Market Club doesn't work. Well, you pretty much stay the same. That's really not a logical argument to use. So you take action and Market Club doesn't work. Well, you've got the 30-day money-back guarantee, so you have no risk. But let's say the good news is you take Market Club and it does work. You're going to learn a skill. You're going to learn to trade in any economy. You're going to learn something you can hand down to your children about money management. You're going to brag to your friends that you really do know how to make money in any market. And you're not going to be afraid of the market anymore. You're going to know how to logically look at these markets. Just as we're logically taking this choice to go to Market Club, you're going to learn how to trade any markets. Now it's up to you to make the logical choice. Market Club is the logical choice.